Alright, pay attention. This is 100% true. Probably.
Number 12. The microwave, oops, that cooked the world. Percy Spencer wasn't trying to make dinner, just test radar tech. Then, a chocolate bar in his pocket melted like it saw its ex. Instead of calling it a day, he aimed the device at popcorn. Boom, instant snack apocalypse. By 1947, the first microwave was born. It was taller than a toddler and heavier than your self-doubt. It cost about as much as a small car, but hey, it made hot dogs glow. Soon, it became the lazy hero of every dorm room, a tiny metal cave that could turn sadness into soup. It's like having a pocket-sized son that only respects leftovers. Now it's used daily by millions who can't be bothered to preheat, all because one man accidentally nuked a candy bar. Number 11. The Post-it note that refused to stick. Just enough. In 1968, chemist Spencer Silver made a glue that failed. It stuck like a bad first date, barely. His coworkers ignored it for years, until another scientist used it to mark pages in a hymn book. The weak glue suddenly became genius. It was the Goldilocks of adhesives. Not too strong, not too weak. By 1977, Post-its hit the market. Offices everywhere exploded in pastel squares of fake productivity. They became the international symbol for I'll do it later. Over 50 billion are used every year, mostly for doodles and reminders. It's like therapy, but cheaper and slightly stickier. Proof that even failure can leave a mark. Number 10. The penicillin that grew on a dirty plate. Alexander Fleming left his petri dishes unwashed in 1928. When he came back, one dish had mold-eating bacteria alive. He didn't scream or throw it out, he investigated. Turns out that mold was Penicillium notatum, nature's little assassin. It killed germs faster than you kill your phone battery. By the 1940s, it was saving millions of soldiers from infection. Suddenly, the world had antibiotics, and a reason to stop dying from paper cuts. It's like finding out your dirty dishes invented a miracle. Fleming even said his main skill was being messy. That's right, global medicine started because someone didn't clean up. Every time you skip chores, remember, it's technically scientific. Sometimes laziness really does save lives. Number 9. The potato chip born out of pure spite. In 1853, a customer complained his fries were too thick. The chef, George Crumb, got salty in more ways than one. Out of pure pettiness, he sliced potatoes paper thin. Then he fried them until they were crunchier than your ex's heart. The customer loved them. Suddenly, rage turned into America's favorite snack. Within decades, chips were everywhere from diners to lunchboxes. By the 1920s, mass production turned them into global comfort food. Now people eat billions of bags yearly, mostly while binge-watching guilt. It's like the taste of revenge, but with barbecue flavor. Crumb never patented his idea, he just kept serving them. Proof that pettiness might actually be humanity's strongest motivator. Number 8. The Popsicle invented by a forgetful kid. In 1905, an 11-year-old named Frank Epperson mixed soda powder and water. He accidentally left it outside overnight with the stick still inside. By morning, it was frozen solid. He licked it. Instant happiness. Years later, he patented it as the Epsicle. His kids renamed it Popsicle. By the 1920s, it became the summer symbol of sticky hands. Millions were sold during the Great Depression because they were cheap joy. It's like therapy, but fruit-flavored and on a stick. The brand grew into a frozen empire worth billions. All because one kid forgot his drink outside. So next time you mess up, call it innovation. Forgetfulness has never been so refreshing. Number 7. The X-ray that accidentally exposed everything. In 1895, Wilhelm Röntgen was experimenting with cathode rays. He noticed a weird glow on a screen across the room. Curious, he put his wife's hand in front of it. The bones showed up clear as day. She was not amused. He had literally invented skeleton selfies. Doctors instantly realized they could see inside the human body. Hospitals worldwide adopted the discovery within months. It changed medicine faster than a toddler breaks silence. Today, over 3 billion X-rays are taken every year. It's like having night vision, but for your insides. Röntgen even refused to patent it, just gave it to humanity. Proof that some accidents deserve a standing ovation. Number 6. The Play-Doh that used to clean wallpaper. Before kids were smearing it on carpets, Play-Doh was a cleaning product. In the 1930s, it was used to scrub coal soot off walls. Then cleaner heating made wallpaper soap useless. A teacher suggested giving it to kids as a modeling toy instead. Someone added color, smell, and fun. Boom, childhood saved. By the 1950s, Play-Doh became a global icon of creativity. It's like clay, but made by someone who wanted chaos. Over 900 million pounds have been sold worldwide, enough to build a life-size statue of every messy toddler ever. The toy that started as housework now fuels imagination. Sometimes innovation is just repackaging boredom. From cleaning walls to painting dreams, it's the ultimate glow-up. Number 5. The Corn Flakes that came from a kitchen disaster. In 1894, the Kellogg brothers accidentally left boiled wheat out overnight. It dried into brittle flakes. Instead of tossing it, they baked it. The crunch was unexpectedly perfect. They switched to corn, and cereal history began. Originally, it was meant as a bland health food for sanitarium patients. But sugar, marketing, and capitalism said, nah. Now it's the breakfast of every kid who wakes up late. Over 30 million bowls are eaten daily. It's like edible paper that makes milk taste better. What started as a mistake became the morning routine of the planet. Proof that sometimes success is just breakfast gone wrong. Number 4. The super glue that wouldn't let go. In 1942, Harry Coover was trying to make clear plastic for gun sights. Instead, he made a sticky chemical nightmare. It glued everything to everything, including lab equipment and fingers. He threw it away, calling it useless. Years later, another team rediscovered it and realized it could bond instantly. And just like that, superglue was born. By the 1950s, it became every DIY hero's best friend. It's like commitment issues' worst enemy. One drop can lift a ton. Literally. The military even used it to close battlefield wounds temporarily. From fixing mugs to saving lives, it sticks around for a reason. Proof that mistakes sometimes just need time to dry. Number 3. The Coca-Cola that was basically medicine gone wild. In 1886, pharmacist John Pemberton tried making a headache cure. It contained coca leaves and wine. When alcohol was banned, he swapped wine for soda water. The result? A bubbly drink with an accidental caffeine buzz. People loved it way too much. He sold it for 5 cents a glass at a pharmacy counter. Within a few decades, it became the world's favorite sugar rush. By the 1950s, it was everywhere. War zones, space, even Santa ads. It's like medicine that stopped curing headaches and started causing them. Over 1.9 billion bottles are now consumed daily. From headache syrup to global addiction. That's quite a career change. Proof that the best marketing is just a happy chemical accident. Number 2. The internet that started as a panic button. In the 1960s, during the Cold War, the US feared losing communications in a nuclear strike. So scientists built ARPANET, a system to keep computers connected even if one went down. Basically, the first version of the internet was just academic group chat with trust issues. By 1971, emails were flying between researchers. By the 1990s, the whole planet joined in. Then came cat videos, memes, and endless arguments with strangers. It grew faster than any invention in history. Over 5 billion people now use it daily. It's like humanity merged its brain into one big, anxious cloud. Something meant to survive, nukes, now struggles with slow Wi-Fi. The world's smartest mistake turned into its loudest classroom. Proof that the biggest accidents connect us all, literally. Number 1. The Velcro inspired by a dog's bad day. In 1948, Swiss engineer George de Mestral took his dog for a walk. When they came back, both were covered in burrs. Instead of cursing, he got curious. Under a microscope, he saw tiny hooks on the burrs. They clung perfectly to fabric loops, so he mimicked nature's design and created Velcro. It was first used in spacesuits during the Apollo missions. Now it holds sneakers, jackets, and your childhood shoes together. It's like nature saying, here's reusable stickiness, don't waste it. Today, it's used in everything from hospitals to NASA labs, all because one man couldn't get his dog clean. Lesson learned, curiosity beats lint rollers every time.
That was the video. Do not worry. My friends and I only came here for peace. We love quiet nights, friendly smiles, and a little kindness. Press like and hit the subscribe button, and everything stays calm, just the way we like it.